In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a product URL in the Amazon app. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. To do this, open up the app on your mobile device and enter your login credentials if you haven't done so already. You should be greeted by your Amazon homepage, and from here, you're ready to go. Now, the next thing you want to do is navigate to the product for which you want to copy the URL. Whether you're browsing for the latest gadgets, books, or even clothes, simply use the search bar at the top of the screen to find your desired product. Once you locate it, tap on the product to bring up its details. Once you are on the product page, you'll see its image prominently displayed. Along with that, there should be a share button. It typically looks like an arrow pointing to the right or something similar. Go ahead and give that share button a tap. By doing this, a menu should pop up, revealing various ways you can share the product link. Next, you'll notice options to share the link through different apps available on your phone. However, since our goal is simply to copy the link, keep an eye out for the Copy Link option. Tap on this, and voila! You've just copied the product URL to your clipboard. With the link now saved, you can paste it anywhere you want. For instance, if you want to share it in a text message, email, or social media post, simply go to where you want to share the link and hold down in the message field until you see the option to paste. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a product URL from the Amazon app. It's a straightforward process that can come in handy for sharing recommendations with friends or saving products for later. If you happen to be browsing and want to ensure you're always sharing the right product, remember to double-check that the URL corresponds to the item you want to share. Sometimes new versions or variations can pop up, so staying vigilant will help you ensure your friends or family are receiving the correct links. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. My goal is to make navigating Amazon and other platforms easier for all of you. If you have any tips or questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.